Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, Sincerely Jacqueline DIY. Today we're going to be making some Easter DIYs that you're going to enjoy, and most of the things that we use come from the dollar store or the Dollar Tree, so enjoy. For the first DIY, you're going to need these ceramic tags, and I got one butterfly tag and one luggage tag. You're also going to need the ceramic stickers that you can find at the Dollar Tree, or you can use regular stickers. You're gonna need some Mod Podge to glue them down and to seal them. And you're gonna need some wooden beads and some twine. Just note that I did not show sealing the tag with Mod Podge, but I would highly recommend it to keep it sticking. For DIY number 2, this is what you're going to need. You're gonna need one house from the Dollar Tree, white paint, the floral decals that you can find at the Dollar Tree, some sticker letters, optional, one bead, optional, and then you're going to need a figure. I chose a bunny, and I bought my bunny at Dollarama. If you don't have a Dollarama in your area, Dollar Tree sells these wooden figures that come in a pack of 10. You can glue several of them together and then glue them into your house. For the third DIY, you're going to need plastic shower hooks, these decorative garland carrots, and some decorative twine. I hope that you loved all these DIYs, and if you liked what you saw, please give me a thumbs up. Please comment below at your favorite DIY, subscribe, and hit the alarm button to hear or see further videos of mine. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!